Hello, scholars. You are going to count by 4 today. So when we count by 4, we start with 4 and we add 4 each time. Okay? Now, counting by 4s it's kind of like counting by 3s. It's not as easy as 1s, 2s, 5s, and 10s. So we will be using a song to help us. Okay? So let's practice together. Check out our song. We're going to start with 4s. Feel free to lift up your fingers for each group of 4.
Okay, get down. Hands and feet should touch the ground. Now stand up straight on the floor. Let's count up to 20. We'll start with 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay, get down. Hands and feet should touch the ground. Now stand up straight on the floor. Let's count up to 40. We'll start with 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8.
Okay, so we're going to go back to when we just counted up to 20. Okay, because that will be our focus to really help us practice skip counting by 4s. Okay, so we skip count by 4s. We start with 4, and we're going to stop with 20.
Hands and feet should touch the ground. Now stand up straight on the floor. Let's count up to 20. We'll start with 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20.
Okay, nice and simple. We're counting by 4 until 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. And after a while, this will become quick enough that you get so used to counting by 4s, you do it so many times, maybe you memorize the song, so you don't need to think as hard each time. It's okay if in the beginning you really have to think, all right, I'm skip counting by what number? 4s. So each time I add 4 to that number. Start with 4, 4 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. We're at 12, 12 plus 4, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16 plus 4, 17, 18, 19, 20, right? As we get better, we get stronger and a little quicker, okay? So counting by 4s to 20. When we end with 20, we have 5 fingers up. We have 5 groups of 4. 5 groups of 4 give us 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. All right? Good job.